Relative strength index. Divergence. But divergence between what two entities?
अरे डमी की तरह सोचोगे तो डमी ही रह जाओगे। जागो रमन, जागो।
प्रणाम।
ये बताओ, इतना इंटेलिजेंट होके भी भोंदूस के लिए लिखी किताब पढ़ रहे हो, जब मुझ जैसा ज्ञान का सागर आपके सामने खड़ा हो। सच में रमन, आपकी सोच और आपकी हरकतों में कोई मेल नहीं, काफी डाइवर्जेंस है।
चलो चलो अब इन डमी लोगों को डाइवर्जेंस के बारे में बताएंगे।
अच्छा, अभी आरएसआई से आपको ओवरबॉट और ओवरसोल्ड का तो इंडिकेशन मिल जाएगा, पर एक और चीज है जो हम आरएसआई से ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, डाइवर्जेंस। So let's see what it means in the stock market context. Divergence occurs when the security makes a new high or low in price, but the RSI does not correspondingly make a new high or low.
Ah, I see. Kind of like the disparity between what we would normally expect and what actually happens.
Right. I must say, for a bhondu, you catch on real quick. So, yeah, looking out for divergence will lead you to some important cues. It can give us a heads up about potential trends in the price.
Wow! Really? That's cool! So how do you read these cues?
Let me show you with some examples. See this price chart here? By simply watching the prices, it's clear that the prices are steadily moving down to make a lower low. Or in simpler words, this low is lower than the previous low. Now, what about the RSI at the exact same point? Here, the RSI is not moving down. So the prices are falling, making new lows, but RSI here has refused to go along with the price and has not made a lower low.
Oh, new lows, lower low. What does all this mean?
Well, this means that although the prices are falling down, the fall does not have enough strength and prices could soon move to the upside. This is a classic case of positive divergence and gives us an early indication with respect to the potential price reversal on the upside. Since the price reversal is to the upside or positive side, it is known as positive divergence.
Okay, so there's also a negative divergence to look out for.
Yes. Let me show you another picture to explain negative divergence. Prices are steadily moving up, right? They are making higher highs. But notice what the RSI is doing at the same time. Tell me, is the RSI making a higher high along with the price?
No. So does this mean this is an indication that prices may fall?
That's right, dude. When prices are going up and making new highs, but the RSI is refusing to go along with the prices and not making higher highs, it shows that although the prices are rallying to the upside, the rally does not have enough strength and sooner or later prices could move to the downside. This is a classic case of negative divergence.
Awesome! So observing closely for positive and negative divergence will definitely help me in my trading decisions, right?
Yup, RSI divergence is an effective way of anticipating trend reversal. But mind you, this observation tends to be even more reliable when combined with several other technical tools. It is also applicable across all time frames.
And across asset classes, just like Bollinger Bands?
You bet!
Oh man, I can't wait to tell Chachu about this. Oh, sorry. हाँ ये तो बाद में भी हो सकता है. चलो पहले कुछ चार्ट रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करें.
Let's see some practical examples of RSI divergences. Here's a nifty chart. In the upper part of the chart, you have the price and the lower part shows you the RSI oscillator. On the left-hand side of the chart, you can observe that prices are consistently falling. Prices fall and make a low. Prices bounce from that low, but this bounce is short-lived and prices fall again. This time, they fall and make a low that is lower than the previous low.
So, lower low in price.
Right. Now, observe the RSI. When the prices made a lower low, where was the RSI? Was it also making a lower low? No, the RSI actually made a higher low.
A positive divergence in this case, right?
Precisely. This means that although the prices are falling, these falling prices do not have enough strength.
So, like an indication that sooner or later the prices could start going up again.
Correct. Now observe how prices are making a lower low here. And around the same time, RSI is refusing to make a lower low. This gives us a warning in advance about a potential price reversal. Observe how, in both the cases, we had a strong rally to the upside. Spotting the RSI divergence helps us to time the market reversals well in advance, and often you end up capturing big rallies. तो अब RSI divergence का concept पल्ले पड़ा?
पर ये तो इक्विटी का एग्जाम्पल था. मैं कमोडिटीज में भी ट्रेड करना चाहूंगा. क्या RSI डाइवर्जेंस वहां भी काम आएगा?
क्यों नहीं? ये टूल है बड़े काम की चीज. Now look at this example with crude oil. Prices made a lower low, but the RSI made a higher low. Again, a clear case of positive divergence.
Cool! So RSI divergence is a versatile tool that works effectively and seamlessly on all asset classes.
Yep.
Studying RSI divergence
Doesn't seem that difficult at all. It's easy. Would this analysis also tell me when to exit a stock?
हाँ जी बॉस. जोशी चाची और जितेश अंकल की विशेष टिप्पणी से कई गुना ज्यादा असरदार है ये ट्रेडिंग टूल.
अरे फिर तो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रेडिंग टूल है. ये बताओ, आपने ट्रेडिंग से कितना पैसा कमाया है?
अबे पप्पू, एक बात बता, ये सब प्लैटिनम की चेन वगैरह मुझे क्या रक्षाबंधन में मिले थे?
नहीं नहीं यार, अगर ये अमाउंट नहीं बना पाया तो स्पेन नहीं, सिर्फ पेन मिलेगा. काश काश कोलाबा बाबा यहाँ होते.
तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए. वैसे मैं जानवान हथेली पर नहीं ले आया, पर कुछ ज्ञान जरूर दे सकता हूं. क्या बात है?
बॉस बॉस, आई नीड योर हेल्प। अपने अपने ड्रीम हनीमून के लिए कुछ अमाउंट चाहिए सर जी। ये आरएस से एनालिसिस करके कुछ प्रॉफिट तुरंत चाहिए सर जी।
अब हम क्या विक्रम बेताल खेल रहे हैं कि मैं हर बार तुम्हारी आवाज सुन के तुम्हारी पीठ पे बैठा चला आऊंगा? पहले चलो आज एक बार और ट्रेड टाइगर की सैर करवाता हूं। I have logged in to Trade Tiger. Let's open the Nifty chart first. So here we have the Nifty chart. Now I'm going to right click the Nifty chart, go into Study and select Add Study. Now from the drop down box select the Relative Strength Index tool. याद रहे, इन डिफॉल्ट वैल्यूज के साथ छेड़छाड़ मत करना। You can see that the overbought and the oversold signals display 70 and 30 respectively. I can also go into the subgraph where I can change the thickness of the lines or alternatively the colors of the RSI. I am now going to select Apply. The moment I do that, the area around the 70 mark shows me overbought conditions and the area around the 30 mark shows me oversold conditions. अब इस चार्ट पे जरा गौर करो। Can you identify the divergences? Let me show you an example. So, if you look at this chart on the 29th of February 2016, this was the day of the budget. If you observe the price, it made a lower low, but the RSI failed to make a lower low. Instead, it made a higher low. This clearly indicates that there was a clear positive divergence between the price and the indicator. The moment this divergence occurred, we saw a big reversal in the Nifty and the prices moved to the upside. Try analyzing the divergence in this example. Here we have the stock Infosys. If you look at the price action, the price made a higher high.
वाह उस्ताद,
RSI divergence.
इतनी आसानी से मतलब समझा दिया आपने।
I can't wait to apply the RSI divergence tool.
बार्सिलोना, here I come.
अरे रामन, तबला कभी एक सिंगल पीस में नहीं आता। दोनों तबले एक साथ बजाओ तो ताल में मजा है। अभी तो तुमने बस बीबी और RSI को जाना है, इनका कॉम्बो और भी दमदार है।